Carl Cunningham from zenbid.com, here to tell you about our next upcoming Landlord Lockout auction. This is a construction auction, guys. This has a lot of lumber, a lot of rare woods, good quality woods, a lot of woodworking machinery. Take a look at this Grizzly dust collector. How about this JLT clamp with 30 clamps? Ready to go, almost in brand new condition. How about a Delta radial arm saw? Done. How about a Conquest boring machine? You need pallet racking? Done. How about an almost out-of-the-box new Pegasus precision scroll saw? How about a brand new in-the-box Porter Cable wet tile saw? Vacuum press. We got it. How about a Festool with several attachments? Need a Powermatic benchtop mortiser? We've got it. Need a Porter Cable dovetailer? How about a DeWalt stand-up miter saw with dolly? Need a Makita pneumatics compressor? Double bench grinder. Porter Cable drill press. Powercraft radial arm saw? It worked. Do you want cedar live edge slabs? We've got them. How about some mahogany? Do you need superior walnut boards? Do you want Brazilian Ipe tongue and groove planks? Done. Do you want a brand new case of Russian Baltic birch? Got it. You need an almost brand new Surf Prep sander with vacuum and filters? How about a Craig? You need a custom-made white oak, 10-foot in diameter reception desk? We've got two. Go to zenbid.com, check out the links in order to register for this auction. I make it incredibly easy. Come on down to the public auction previews. Very important that you do so you can see all of the lots for your own eyes, as all lots will be sold in as-is condition to the highest bidder regardless of price. So take it from me, do not go to the big boxes and get ripped off. Come on down to the auction, get some really good, rare, and quality wood, and save a ton of money.